There's nothing better than a good old-fashioned
blueberry pineapple cobbler.
Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Shotgun Red, and I'm Sheila.
I'm Jennifer.
And we have got a good old-fashioned dessert.
Yes, there's nothing quite better than a blueberry pineapple cobbler.
Oh, I love that.
Warm out of the oven. Wait till you taste this.
And some butter on it.
And it's so easy to make.
Yes.
This is a simple recipe. My girlfriend Dana said this was her granny's recipe.
Hi, Dana.
Hi, Dana. She made this and she told me about it. She goes, "You've got to try this." She kept sending me pictures and I'm like, oh my gosh. So we're going to try this out today and we appreciate Dana sending this in. So, okay, so here we go. We've got some simple ingredients here. Very easy to make. You're going to start off with 1 cup of flour. Self-rising flour, and we have 1 cup of sugar, white sugar, and we're going to take that and we're going to just mix up the dry ingredients there. And if you don't have self-rising flour, you can still make your own with a cup of flour, a teaspoon and a half of baking powder, and a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and just a little pinch of salt. And it will do the same thing. So if you can't find that self-rising flour on the shelf, don't worry, you can make it yourself. So now we got all this dry ingredients all mixed up in there. We're going to pour our milk in.
This is a cup.
And this is exactly 1 cup of whole milk. And we're just going to mix that together until it's completely mixed up. I'll give your arm a rest.
Oh, yeah.
I've been having her stir all day. She's like, "Are you done yet?" Just want to make sure you get it completely mixed up. I'd use that one, but it would be clanking, and then we'd have people go, "Why are you clanking on that dish?" We don't. We don't know. Sometimes we just grab the nearest utensil and we go for it.
Like most people do at home anyway.
Oh yeah, anything to drive our spouses crazy. You know. Drive the family crazy.
That'd make your little dog go outside, wouldn't it?
Oh, yeah. The dog doesn't even want to hear me.
She's got a cute little dog here.
I do have a cute little dog. Okay, so now that we've got this mixed up, we're just going to set this aside and get our baking dish. So this is just a regular 8-inch by 11 glass baking dish. And so we've got 1 stick of melted butter, and we're going to pour that right in the bottom of this. This is going to be so easy.
There you go.
And you can take, if you want, just take a little, I just take a paper towel and just kind of go along the edges with it because, and look at, I'm splashing, I'm pulling a Sheila.
Yes, I don't want you to paint my house either.
You don't want me to paint your house. If you've seen some of our other recipes, you'll know what we're talking about. Sheila can't paint. Can you?
Oh, no. That's the only way I can get out of it.
So now that we've got that melted butter in there, we're going to take our batter that we just made and we're going to pour it right in. This is so easy and your family's going to love this. I made this after she told me about it. I made this for Easter and everybody was raving about it. She said she did this with a lot of different fruits, but this is what I had on hand. I had blueberries and pineapple. And so you just want to just let that sit like that. Okay. It's okay that the butter's around the edges. It's going to push it up. It's fine. Then I've got one 15-ounce can of just your crushed pineapple and its own juice. And you just pour that right on top. Now, a lot of people will put the fruit on the bottom. You don't need to. You just pour that right in there, the juice and all. And then I have organic blueberries that I buy, and they're frozen, and I just defrosted them this morning. There's quite a bit of juice already with them, and you're going to do the same thing with that. You're just going to pour that right across the dish and try to make sure that you get that all the way across as much as possible so you get blueberries in every bite.
That looks already good.
It's going to be great. Wait till you try this. Okay, so once we got that in there, I'm going to just take a little bit and sprinkle a little bit of sugar right on across the top. Can't go wrong with a little more sugar.
And then we preheated the oven for 350 degrees.
And we're gonna put that in the oven for about 30 minutes until it's nice and golden brown. And we're gonna take it out. Wait till you see this. We'll be back.
We just took this out of the oven. It was in there for about 35 minutes.
Yeah, we wanted to leave it in there just a little bit longer because we
Right.
wanted it to get nice and golden brown, and it looks really good and smells so
It
good.
does.
Oh my gosh, are you ready?
Dana, we're fixing to do this.
Okay, let's
Check
try
this
it.
out.
So let's take a little scoop out of here.
I don't want a little scoop. Give me
Okay,
something.
I'll get you a big scoop.
Yeah.
Doesn't that look good?
Delicious.
A little of that. Oh yeah. I'm gonna get me some. Okay, you're gonna put ice cream on yours.
Yes, I got ice cream on mine.
And
now.
I'm gonna put some whipped cream on mine.
Okay.
All right. Look at this. Doesn't this look good?
Yes,
oh
it
my
does.
gosh. You
I am
just
ready.
smell that. Let's try it.
Okay.
Mm.
Ready?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Dana's granny really had it going on.
She knew what she was doing.
She knew what she was doing. You know, and a lot of people put that the fruit on the bottom, but having it on top and having that rise through all that flavor, it's just delicious like this. Wow.
It's really good.
It's really, really good. You're gonna like this.
I know.
You can use it with whipped cream or some French vanilla ice cream or old-fashioned vanilla, whatever you want to use, and you could do different kinds of fruits, blackberry, you know.
I like whipped cream. I also like the ice cream.
Yes, and it's nice and warm with that cold melting on top. It's really good. Well, as Steve would say, is this the best blueberry
Pineapple.
cobbler? If it ain't, it ought to be. Thanks for watching and liking and sharing.
And subscribing.
And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter,
Instagram.
and all of our social media links are right below, along with our website where you can pick up our Shotgun Red dolls and DVDs and
T-shirts.
T-shirts. Yes, we have our T-shirt store and coffee mugs,
And tote bags.
tote bags, and don't forget to join our free membership because we have a lot of fun things coming up, and we are still working on that cookbook. Should be out soon. So we'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Bye.
Well, that's She and Jen, them two girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.